Hi, in this problem which appeared in the JEE Main 2019 paper, right, we are trying to find out the value of A, okay, and then we'll find Z bar. That's the concept, right? Because without finding out the A, we cannot find out the Z bar in the form of the given options, right? So first we take that value, take that complex number Z and try to find out the modulus, which gives me the unknown constant A. So take first the constant or the complex number Z and try to simplify it. So here the given complex number Z is given as 1 plus I whole square and divided by A plus I. Okay. So yes, A minus I, sorry. Now, you see that it is 1 plus I whole square. So why we keep it at? We just expand it based on A plus B whole square formula. So it's 1 plus I squared plus 2I divided by A minus I. So that gives me the complex number. Now, 1 plus I squared is obviously 0 because I squared is minus 1. So therefore, it gives me that 2I divided by A minus I. So this is the complex number we are looking for. Okay. Now, we trying to find out, right, the modulus of Z. Okay. Now, if I try to find out the modulus of Z, let's find out the mod of Z. So therefore, what is the mod of Z? That's equal to mod of 2I divided by A minus I. So which imply that it actually gives you, we can separate it, right? Because mod of Z1 by Z2 is equal to mod Z1 by mod Z2. So therefore, it is mod of 2I divided by mod of A minus I. And A is a real number. So now this is very easy to calculate. So let's find out that. So 2 is a constant. So 2 mod of I and mod of 1 A minus I. That's it. Now this is imply that mod of I is equal to 1 and it is square root of A squared plus 1. So we calculate the mod of Z. Okay. Also, if you don't want to use that, you can multiply this number by the complex conjugate of A minus I, that is A plus I. Multiply this, you get it done. Okay. So both options are there. So let's go ahead. So we find that mod of Z is equal to 2 by square root of A squared plus 1, which is definitely equal to square root of 2 by 5. So let's do this stuff. Okay. So therefore, we can see that 2 divided by square root of A squared plus 1 is equal to square root of 2 by 5. So obviously, we have to square them up. So 4 by A squared plus 1 is equal to 2 by 5. Which imply that A squared plus 1 is actually 20 by 2, that's 10, which imply that A squared is equal to 9, which imply that A is equal to 3 and as A is greater than 0. So that's why we ignore that A equal to minus 3. So we calculate the value of A. Now, whenever we calculate the value of A, obviously we are able to calculate the Z in the form of 2I by 3 minus I. So that's it. So therefore, my complex number Z will become 2I divided by 3 minus I. So that's it. So this is my complex number. Now, obviously, to find out the conjugate, right, we have to write down in X plus IB form or A plus IB form, but it's not there. So therefore, we have to multiply by the conjugate. So therefore, let's do and multiply by the conjugate. So 2I, we multiply by the conjugate, so 3 plus I and 3 minus I into 3 plus I. That's easy. So therefore, we can find this is actually, if I multiply by 2I, this is 6I plus 2I squared. Divided by 3 are 9 minus I squared, so plus 1, that's 10. So therefore, we can find that it is, take 2 common again, it is 3I minus 1 divided by 10, which gives me that it's actually minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 into I. So this is the required complex number Z. Now, whenever the complex number is calculated, right, we can easily calculate the complex conjugate. So what is the complex conjugate? We just need to change the sign, right? Minus 1 by 5 and it will be minus. So therefore, for this problem, the required conjugate z bar is actually minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 I. So we obtain the z bar. So therefore, based on our calculation, we can see that option B for this particular problem is the correct choice. Hope you understood the problem. So let's have a look in a detailed solution where in this problem we just take that multiplication at the beginning, okay, and then we calculate that. So both methods you can apply. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.